Hi, I'm Steph,
Hey, and I'm Vicky.
and it is Mom's 70th birthday, and she wanted to do something really fun. What did you want to do for your birthday?
Something really outside of the box that makes people go, oh, I wanted to camp. And we were actually camping here at Fort Wilderness, and we are tent camping, and there's nothing glamorous about it. But we did bring a whole van full of equipment, so we are not suffering in the least.
And we arrived yesterday, and so we've
arrived-
already had one night.
Yes, and it rained, which
Yes.
is okay.
Which we'll share a little bit about later
Yes.
on the video.
Yes.
Today, we went hiking for 7.0 miles for Mom's birthday, and that will be coming up also in the video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Oma. Happy birthday to you. Yay! All right, so we are here enjoying our morning beverages.
Our hot beverage on a cold morning,
Tea.
rainy morning.
Well, in Florida, yeah. I mean, we're wearing flannels and we're comfortable. So, your first night camping in how many years?
Well, I think you were 2 years old, so you're now 38. So do the math.
Math. So it's
Math.
been a while,
So it's been a while.
and that's
Okay.
the last time I camped here. So
Yes, it is.
it did start raining around 1 a.m.
Mhm.
Really hard rain. That classic Orlando, like rain is coming down and you're not stopping it.
Mhm.
Luckily, I saw my phone got an alert right before, and I came and like moved a couple things that were out here. Stuff still got wet, but I just kind of adjusted some stuff. And I slept fairly well. How about you?
I slept really well. I mean, it was amazing. I didn't think that little air mattress is because it's not very tall, but it's totally worked. I got cold, which I was surprised I got cold, and I got wet because the fly was open, and I did struggle at 1 o'clock in the morning to try to get it closed. So things were a little damp in there, but it wasn't any big deal. And actually, I had just a fan on. I was really cold.
And my fan was on most of the night, and it just died about maybe 5, which was perfect. So that little battery worked really well. It lasted from like 9:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. So that's great. It's a little Ryobi USB fan. And I brought 2 batteries so I can always have one charged.
Well, I have the other Ryobi battery powered.
And the battery
fan.
die?
No, it didn't. No.
Yeah.
No.
So we can charge that
the 18 volts.
Yeah.
And I had it on low, which was fine.
Yeah, I had mine on low as well. Yeah.
Considering everything, I slept really well.
Yep.
So I can't complain.
Yeah.
Except, if it's getting wet at 1 a.m. in the morning.
So we'll finish our breakfast and then head out.
And then 2 and then 3.
2.
Oh, I win.
I'm up to 4.
Obviously, it's to be used.
What are you doing?
I'm sitting here shivering. It's 55 degrees in the car. I try to get it hot. It's not warming fast enough. It's cold. I'm not dressed for cold weather in April
In Florida.
in Florida, sleeping outside. Need electric blanket.
So how'd you sleep?
It's comfortable, but I was so cold.
A couple more blankets.
A couple more blankets. I don't know. Gee whiz. I can't believe it's this cold.
Just like Starbucks. Thank you. I'm gonna close the window now so that I don't let the heat out. Girl getting changed.
Getting her bike. This is our campsite. That and then turn it the other way. This was such a fun trip. I'm so glad Mom wanted to do this for her 70th birthday. One of the nights I did ride my bike down to the settlement area where you can actually sit on the beach and you can see the Magic Kingdom fireworks, which was just a really cool sight. And now that I've camped here, I can't wait to camp here again. And just a couple weeks before this camping trip, we actually had brought Tosh, my greyhound, to Fort Wilderness, so you can watch that video right here. And I hope you have a great day.